हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल राजपूत ब्लॉग। आई होप गाइस आप लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो टुडे आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट द एम्फेसिस ऑनबोर्डिंग न्यूज़ regarding that May 10 joining update. Recently, the 1 week ago, there was a many candidate who received the joining date of a 10th May. After that, there is no another mail regarding the something like that more joining batches or something like company from the company side. There is no response from the company side. Only the one mail received by the candidate, they will be onboarded and they will be onboarded in a batches candidate like that. This type of mail everyone get from the company side. This is the auto generated mail many candidates have received from the last 1 to 2 months ago. This is the same mail received by the every candidate, but there is another mail, ripple mail received by the candidate before the 10 May location, that yesterday, day before yesterday also many candidate also received on a 2nd May ripple mail about that they will be shortlisted and your location will be that Pune or Bangalore, something like that. One big information about that location also, guys, that in the last month there is a changement of the location. If you notice that in last month April, all the joining will be in a Bangalore location, but this is the first mail. Many ripple mail candidate have received the mail about that location mentioned in their Pune. Understand, guys? So this time, this May session, I hope, guys, there is a location will be changed. Your location will be Pune. Those who candidate receive the ripple mail, there is a mention on that above side that your location will be like that. This is the you have been shortlisted. Your congratulations, your application for the position trainee associate software. The profile is TASE, trainee associate software engineer profile. Location is Pune. And firstly, in April session, there is a associate software engineer profile and trainee associate software engineer profile. There was a location in Bangalore. So guys, this May session, I hope all you will get the location will be Pune only. In the last month, many candidates received the location will be Bangalore, but this time I think so, from my opinion, there will be the Pune locations. They are selected, they have been shortlisted for the candidate according to the profile need what they have mentioned in that, or according to their business requirement or the new project what will they hiring for the candidate or the shortlisted. Understand, guys? This is the news from my side that if you have not received the ripple mail, many candidates have not received. Just I have yesterday I have made the poll session also. There was a many candidate who vote in that session, and there I have received that many who candidate who received the mail about their joining of 10th May. Many candidate have voted there, and there was a result in a positive way only. Mostly candidate like the 10 to 20% candidate who received the letter about their joining of a 10th May and the ripple mail. Understand, guys? The ripple mail will be send it by the company side, because they will be noticed like that. They will be noted down how many candidate will be onboarded in this batches or in that batches. Understand, guys? This is the poll that I have generated. Any candidate who received the mail of the date of the joining of a 10th May, 10% candidate have received only the date of joining of a 10th May. About the 77 students who have voted down about the 1 hour ago, there was a understand, or don't receive. 90% candidate have not received any ripple mail, any date of joining of a batch of 10th May. Many candidates have just waiting for the Monday. Today is the Monday. If any update regarding the next onboarding or next batches joining, there will be, I will inform all the information in my. So guys, please subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog, or press the bell icon for more notification. If you get more update like that, emphasis onboarding news and job opportunities, I am requesting you guys, if you are waiting for the just onboarding, so please apply for the more opportunities. Also, many company have started their startup like that. They are hiring the freshers for their needed. So I hope, guys, you like the video. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this.